The world's most expensive spice is saffron. The Quran is the most memorized book in the world. There are many Muslims who do not speak Arabic as their mother tongue but had memorized the whole Quran. Even a 4-year child have memorized the Quran by heart. Spanish fashion designer Manuel Torres invented the world's first cloth spray, which after application to the body can be removed, washed and worn again. This is a boy in Japan waiting for his turn to cremate his dead little brother. After World War II in 1945, he was biting his lips how to prevent crying. When God asked, "Give me that load," he replied, "It's not a cargo, he is my brother." Today this image is used in Japan as symbol of strength. Only one man in the world can draw the pinstripes on a Rolls Royce. Two surgeons after successfully removing a set of brain tumors during a 32-hour surgery. Virat Kohli drinks black water that cost rupees 4,000 per liter. The benefits of this water are that it improves immunity, improves skin and keeps weight under control. My blind date texted that he would finally arrive and was sorry for being 15 minutes late to pick me up, but we would already been driving for 10. An American channel, Spike TV, ranks Babadip Singh Ji as one deadliest and formidable warrior in history. When the OnePlus 8 Pro launched, its camera could see through clothes and plastic. However, OnePlus disabled the feature later to avoid any privacy issues. Cooking, washing clothes and utensils, and cleaning home doesn't deal with any gender. When Indian parents will start saving money for girls' education and startups instead of marriage, India will become the golden bad again. When the world was learning to draw 2D art, our ancients were delivering 3D masterpieces. 1800 plus years old Chola marvel. Bathroom with a glass door on an abandoned elevator shaft. My family can remember their past lives, so one day I told my son I was a girl who was murdered. He grinned and said, "What are the odds we would meet again?" Mel Blanc, the voice of Bugs Bunny, was in a serious car accident that put him in a coma. After many unsuccessful attempts to get him to talk, the doctor asked, "Bugs, can you hear me?" Mel responded in Bugs' voice, "What's up, doc?" They used this technique to lead him out of his coma. Richard Phillips survived the longest wrongful prison sentence in the world. He was locked up in 1972 at the age of 26 and was not released until 2018, aged 72. He spent 45 years in jail for a crime he didn't commit. Eyes that have seen a nuclear blast. Hiroshima, August 8, 1945. Women with higher IQs have a harder time finding a mate. Intelligent women would rather remain single than be with wrong person. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.